Solar system. The solar system refers to the collection of celestial bodies, including the sun, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other smaller objects, that are gravitationally bound together in orbit around the sun. The sun is at the center of the solar system and exerts its gravitational pull on all the other objects, keeping them in their respective orbits. The 8 major planets in the solar system, in order of their distance from the sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Solar panels, also known as solar photovoltaic panels or solar modules, are devices designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity using a technology called photovoltaics. These panels are a key component of solar energy systems and play a crucial role in generating clean and renewable electricity. Solar panels are made up of multiple individual solar cells, which are typically made from semiconductor materials, often silicon. These cells are connected together to form a larger module or panel. When sunlight shines on the solar cells, it releases energy in the form of photons. The solar cells absorb these photons, which then create an electric current within the cell due to the photovoltaic effect. The electricity generated by the solar panels can be used in various ways. Direct use: the electricity can be used immediately to power lights, appliances, electronics, and other electrical devices in homes, businesses, and other settings. Grid connection: solar panels can be connected to the electrical grid, allowing excess electricity to be fed back into the grid. This process is known as net metering, and it can result in credits or payments from the utility company for the surplus electricity generated. Battery storage: solar panels can also be used in conjunction with battery storage systems. Excess electricity generated during sunny periods can be stored in batteries for use during cloudy days or nighttime. Solar panels are a cornerstone of solar energy systems and have gained significant popularity due to their environmental benefits, potential for cost savings on electricity bills, and the global push for sustainable energy sources. They are commonly installed on rooftops, open areas, and even integrated into building designs to maximize their efficiency and energy generation. Keep in mind that the technology and market for solar panels continue to advance, leading to improved efficiency and cost-effectiveness over time.